guys, happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be decorating this piece of furniture you see behind me and the wall. If you remember, I had a huge white window pane mirror from Hobby Lobby. I took it down and I kind of want to do something different. So let's see what I do. I've been desperately looking around for artwork and I'm not having a lot of luck finding the artwork I like. So yesterday, I was sitting on the sofa. I went to the Hobby Lobby website and I saw that they were having 50% off on all their wall decor. And I did not feel like getting dressed and going to Hobby Lobby and potentially running into one of you looking raggedy. You know what I mean? We all have those days. So I said to my daughter, would you mind going to Hobby Lobby and doing a FaceTime shop with me? And she's like, yeah, sure, Mom. And I was like, yes. So she went and we FaceTimed and I had her buy some artwork. So let me show you what I had my daughter pick up. Because what I did was I screenshotted all the artwork pieces I was interested in at a great price point. And then she just simply went and found them for me. And on the website, it would tell me, 6 left, 4 left, 3 left. So if she couldn't find it, I'd say, go ask somebody because it says that they have 2 or 3 left. And sure enough, it was very, very accurate. Nonetheless, I have been wanting this for a very, very, very long time. And yeah, so I had her get this. I love it. I just love the neutral florals and I love the blackish backdrop. I wasn't sure I was crazy about that. In fact, I was trying to play with it and hang it on the wall without the rope. And you can actually, but it's a little tricky. But I did put a tack here like this, and it hung, but it kind of hung a little bit wonky, kind of like that. So I'm sure I could get creative and find a way to hold it upright, but for today's video, we're not doing that because what I really wanted to do was this. For those of you who like this piece of artwork, you may want to try this because I think it's absolutely beautiful for spring. I wanted to do something like this. Wouldn't that be pretty? I just love it. I love it. I'm not gonna have time to rig it today. So we're just gonna hang it by the rope and that's okay. I may change it later, but I do love, love, love this look. Doesn't this give it character? I think so. And by the way, this is called the Hanging Art Tapestry and originally $49, but I got it 50% off yesterday. Let's hang it.
To belong, and we've got nothing to lose. I'm a kite, you're a string, and you made me see there's nothing.
Oh, I just love it. I love it. I am loving black in my house with kind of the neutrals, and then I'm going to be pulling in pops of spring colors. Not just yet, but probably more next month. Now, I have already shared these several times. I am in love with these wood risers. And I like to use these to elevate my lamps. As you can see, I have tall ceilings in here. And I really feel like, me personally, when you elevate your lamps, it gives the area a more dramatic look. So basically, I'm gonna place one here and one there, and then we're gonna add lamps. Love it. I absolutely love it. The brown risers ties in with the brown in the tapestry, and then the lamps kind of pull in the beigey colors in the artwork. So I think it's pretty, I really do. So even though we're heading into spring, I will tell you black is so in right now. Black and beige and brown and white and pops of green. Those are very on trend this year. And like I said, I don't always go with trends, nor should you, only if you like it. So with that said, even though I've got a pop of black right here, we're gonna go in and we're gonna lighten it for spring. And this is how I plan to achieve that. I am going to go in with these rustic wood shutters from Hobby Lobby. I love the little brown distressing around the edge, which will tie in nicely with the risers and nicely with the pops of brown in the tapestry. And what I'm going to do is place them sort of ever so slightly angled behind each lamp. That's what I'm gonna do.
When you walked in the door, I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy.
I love it. Do you see how that lightened the space? It adds a little bit of a textural backdrop, and angled, you know, gives it visual interest. I love it, I love it. Let's add the other one.
All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time.
I didn't plan this video out very well, so I am just going to, I'm gonna start plugging and playing. I'm just gonna grab stuff. If it works, great. If it doesn't, we'll throw it back to the table. I spy a stool and a big white vase. I'm gonna go grab that. Okay, stool, vase. Again, this is brown, so this will tie in with all the little brown pieces I have. And this will lighten things up yet again. I thought I could put a pop of spring colors in here. You know what, let's try it, but I definitely have a different approach. So I have this beautiful piece, we can try that.
Time flies and the years went by, still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left.
So I love those florals, but I want to try something just a tad different. So I have this wreath. I believe I got this at Home Goods a year ago, and it's so cute. Love the colors. Love the pop of yellow, love the pop of green, and I think it ties in beautifully with that tapestry. And I thought I could take those out and just sit this in the vase like this. Almost like, you know, a round garden topiary.
Tell me, mother, did you miss me like I missed you? I've been on a million journeys trying to find me alone to belong. And we've got
So I just want to point out, I kind of like how the yellow sort of pulls out a little bit of the yellowy brown in the tapestry. Obviously it's brighter, but for spring, I don't think it's too bad. Oh, I think I'm gonna pop this kind of in between here. You'll see why in just a moment. I popped in the greenery pick right there that's sort of springy in nature. And now I want to nestle this bunny rabbit sort of in amongst that greenery.
And I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you.
I love love it because the brown pulls in the brown sort of right there and at the top. And now I'm gonna go in with this adorable little wood riser that I shared with you. I got it from Amazon. I found this beautiful tea light candle holder at Walmart. I believe it was like $3 and some change. And I'm gonna pop that right on top of this. And then I'm gonna pop a tea light on the inside.
You, when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine.
Now on that side, I hauled this. It's from Amazon. It's this really cute little wood lightweight tray with little ball feet. And I'm also going to go in with this piece. I also got this on Amazon. I'll link it below. And I'm gonna place it in the tray. Why? Because I'm trying to pull in the darker wood color. Now we've lightened it a lot, but now I wanna pull in some warmth. And I think this is a great way to achieve it because it will tie in with the wood there and the wood at the top.
Little moment, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his.
Okay, I realize this may be a bit much for some, but me personally, you guys know, I am definitely a maximalist. So I am going to go in with this apothecary jar filled with those really adorable faux artichokes that I found on Amazon. I'll link them below. Love them. They're neutral, so they kind of go with everything. And yeah, so I'm gonna place that right there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going crazy today. I don't know what's wrong with me, but it's a nice stone vase. One of these little lavender garden balls, and I thought I would just sit that on top of it and add a little pop of color behind the candle. All right, friends, that will wrap up my video for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I always appreciate you stopping by, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah! Bye, guys.
Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine.